In the vast dialogue about Alzheimer's and dementia, a sombre narrative prevails. Bruce Willis's diagnosis shines a spotlight on this all-too-familiar story. Reports paint a picture of resignation, but I'm here to offer a plot twist inspired by a personal journey, my wife's battle with early-onset Alzheimer's. Faced with a grim prognosis, we discovered Dr Dale Bredesen's RECODE protocol. This approach has rewritten the narrative for 6,000 families, offering a new path beyond pharmaceutical quick fixes. We are not destined to follow the old script. With early intervention and a bit of courage, we are creating a new narrative filled with action, hope, and real success stories. Bruce Willis's story, and those of many others, doesn't have to end here. Armed with cutting-edge research and a wealth of success stories, we're not just dreaming of a better ending, we're actively building it.